Hi there, it's Mark Wickham here, Amazon #1 best-selling author of Effective Pricing for Accountants. And in this short video, I'm going to share with you some key thoughts on how you can value price payroll so it becomes an incredibly profitable service for you. I'm going to show you 3 short, quick ideas for you to help you. And the first of those is you have to make sure that when you are pricing your payroll services, you should do it face-to-face with the client. You should have a meeting, a conversation. And the first thing that you want to do is describe the pain. Describe the pain of payroll in as great a detail as possible. And the reason for that is because as humans, we are loss averse. We are more motivated by avoidance of pain, for example, than the attainment of gain. So the more you paint a picture of the pain, and the pain in this case is the complexity of payroll, how time consuming it is, the penalties and the interest if you get it wrong. There is a huge amount of pain because of those complexities. And the more you can put numbers on that pain, so quantify the typical penalties for getting it wrong, quantify the amount of costs based on the time that a business owner might spend if they do it themselves, the opportunity cost. The more you paint the picture of pain, the more they'll look to you for your solution to remove that pain. The second idea is you want to communicate the benefit of what you do. And I'm a big believer in having professional looking brochures for all of your services. So this is a brochure here for payroll. This is an accountant I work with, his payroll brochure. And when you have a professional looking brochure like this, it allows you to make sure that you systematically explain the benefit of what you do. This becomes your script, if you like, your agenda, your aid memoir, your system to remind you of what to say. You would take the client through this in a meeting. You go through it page by page to explain the benefits. Because the more you explain the benefits to the client, the more they'll be willing for you to take away that pain, and the more they'll expect to pay higher prices. And what you'll want to make sure at the heart of your brochure is that you take them through all the things that you do. Now in here is about 3 pages of things that you do when you do payroll. You can see there's 2 pages here and there's another page over here. There's so much involved with payroll. It's so complicated. And so the better you are at explaining that to the client, the more you go through this in detail, the more they're going to think, crikey, I don't want to get involved with that. Please, you take it away, you deal with it for me. And the third idea is then, how do you then calculate the price? So at this stage, you've communicated the pain of payroll, so the client wants to take it away. You've explained the benefit of what you do, so they can see that you are the best at what you do, you specialise in this, you're an expert in payroll. Now they want to know the price. And what you want to do is make sure that you involve the client in the pricing process. I would recommend you use software, because that means you can come up with a unique price that meets that client's unique circumstances. And the sorts of things that you would want to ask, this is a piece of software called Cloud Pricing, which you could use, and I would suggest that your price would depend on things like how many employees have they got, what type of business are they in, because there are some types of businesses like, for example, bars, cafes, the catering industry, with high turnover of employees, and that creates complexity for you running the payroll. So the type of business they're in might influence the price. Also, how frequently is the payroll run? Is it a monthly salary? Is it weekly wages? And there are other possibilities. And so on and so forth. We can ask questions, and so we understand exactly what that client's circumstances are and what they need, and then we can come up with a fixed price solution to suit what they want. So that's 3 quick thoughts. If you want to find out more about how to price payroll, I've got some more videos that go into much greater detail. And if you are using the cloud pricing software, you'll find in the user guide, you'll find there's a chapter on payroll with a more detailed video where I take you through step by step how you would create your brochure, the wording that you would use, the language, and show you how to use the software to get the very best prices for payroll. So have fun with the software, and I will see you on another video another day. Bye for now.